What's up, YouTube? I have one for you today that I learned while watching a Jeff McBride interview. I think it was World's Greatest Magic or something. During an interview he performed this illusion, and I learned it simply by watching him perform it and then figuring out how it's done myself. But I'm going to go ahead and explain to you how it's done, but first let me show you what it is. This is the illusion. Right there, that's what he did. I added some stuff to it, you know, making the card disappear and come back. But the basic illusion that he performed was that. It was a card production. So I'm going to tell you how it's done today. Basically, you have a block of cards, like say 4 of them, like I got here. And this is how it's done. You take the 4 cards and you palm them. Kind of like this. And then with your pointer finger, middle finger, and ring finger, you take your middle finger, put it behind the palmed cards like this, and then let them pop out. Kind of square them up, make sure they're square, and then flip the whole pack up as 1 card. That's 4 cards flipped up as 1 card. And then you kind of take your fingers and slide this card off at the same time pushing the other 3 cards back into palm position, and then you drop this card, and then you produce the next card. Kind of square them up, show them as 1.
Morning.
Good morning. And then do the same action here and drop this card, and then go to the next card, flip it up, show it as 1, and drop the next card. And that is a card production that Jeff McBride performed at some interview, and I think on the World's Greatest Magic, and that's how it's done. If you like the video, go down there, press the subscribe button, hit the little bell to get instant notifications for whenever I upload a new video. Have a good day, and as always, practice.